we have to send Google Classroom, Nana. I will tell you later how to send. Okay, just close your video.
Yes.
Uh, Jai, say now. Say our hands parts. How many fingers we have?
10.
10 fingers. Okay. Uh, do you have shoulder?
Yes.
Yes. By using shoulder in your life, what are the uses? By using the shoulder, what are the uses in your life?
Bag. Carry the bag.
Yeah, yeah. When you are going to the school, you have to carry the bag. Yes. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Okay. Just keep on mute, Jai.
Carry.
Don't say others answer. Okay. Yeah. This is Deepika Chaudhary. Say once your name, Amma.
Shraddha, sir.
Okay, okay. Shraddha.
Shraddha Chuppu.
Yes.
Shraddha.
Good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Good morning, Shraddha. You don't want to speak to with me. నువ్వు
Yes.
మాట్లాడవు నాకు మాట్లాడవా
మాట్లాడతాను.
మరి ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ ఆర్
మాట్లాడతా.
నాట్ సేయింగ్ ఓకే 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 Shraddha. Just keep on mute. Okay. Now I am taking attendance. Just say yes, sir. Okay. ఎవరి పేరైతే రాలేదో they will tell later. Okay. Yeah. M. Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Srujan. G. Srujan.
Yes, sir.
Srihit Gold.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vanya Sahu.
Yes, sir.
Sai Srikurta. Sai Srikurta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Srujan, just keep on mute. Aryan Gold.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aryan Gold, just keep on mute. Um, Harshit.
Yes, sir.
Next, Jaid.
Sir.
Mahati.
Yes, sir.
Next, Sadda.
Shraddha.
Okay.
Yes,
Sai
sir.
Srikurta. సాయి సిక్యూట్ అయిపోయింది ఓకే ఇంకా ఎవరి పేరు రాలేదు చెప్పండి ఒకసారి
Sir, I not.
సే యువర్ నేమ్
Akshara.
యా అక్షర ఇంకెవరు రాలేదు
Sir.
పాడినానా వాట్ ఇస్ ద నేమ్
Please, Rujan.
పి సృజన్ ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా అందరు వచ్చేసినట్టే కదా యా ఇంకో గణేష్ ఉన్నాడా ఇంకో గణేష్ ఎం గణేష్ ఒకటి పి గణేష్ ఇంకెవరు ఉన్నారా యా డన్ సరే చూడండి జస్ట్ ఎవ్రీబడి షుడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఐఎమ్ ప్రజెంటింగ్ మై స్క్రీన్ ఓకే Okay, Nana. Sorry for the disturbance. It is network problem. Okay. Yeah. See, it's screen my available. My screen. Everybody see once.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yes. That my phone is not charging.
Avuna. Okay. See, Nana. You are getting my voice, everybody.
Yes. Yes,
Ah,
yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Today, I'm going to explain chapter 2, Nana. That is my body. Already in last class we discussed about our body. Yes, yeah. Today's there is subtopic is knowing about body parts. We know some body parts. Okay, we know total body parts. We know face of the body parts. We know mouth of the body parts. There is different body parts there. Okay, somebody told there is face of the body parts, like
Sir, your voice
face of
is
the body
touching.
parts. Like,
Sir, you are touching. Sir, your voice is touching.
yeah, okay. That is network problem, Nana. You can just understand. Okay. Okay, my skin is available there.
Sir, your voice is touching.
Okay. Just everybody should keep on mute. Don't worry. I will explain double. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It is network problem. It's rain is coming. No, that's why it is problem. Okay. I will explain double. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We have
Okay.
face of body part, face of parts, like hair. Hair is hair, not air. Hair. HAIR, hair. This is face of part. Eyes, checks, chin,
Sir, your screen is
nose.
not able to see.
It's available అన్న. It's screen. నా పేరు పైన టైప్ చేయండి. There is కొత్త కాపు పండర్. No, you should click on my name. Okay. Yeah. Forehead. Okay, this part of face. Eyebrows. This part of face. Nose. Chin. Cheeks. Cheeks means champalu. Okay, cheeks means champalu. Chin means మనం ఏమంటాం?
Gadava.
ఎస్, గదవా, లేదా గదవ అని అంటాం. ఐబ్రోస్. ఓకే, hair. This is part of face, Nana. Okay, this is part of space. Okay, next I'm going to explain part of mouth. There is tongue. Okay, tongue is a part of mouth. Lips is a part of mouth. Teeth also part of mouth. Okay, this is tongue, lips, teeth, mouth. This is part of mouth. Okay, yeah. Hair, eyes, cheeks, chin, nose, eyebrows, forehead. This is part of face. Okay, yeah.
Face.
Nana, Jaid. See here, functions of our hands. Okay, functions of our hands. By using our hands, we are doing some works. Yes, like writing. Yes, carrying some things. Okay, you can draw anything by using hands. We can write with our hands. Okay, by using hands you can write anything like this. You can write anything. She's writing something, she's there. Yes, yeah. By using hands we can write. Okay, and we can hold with our hands. Okay, by using hands we can hold. Hold means పట్టుకోవడం. Hold means పట్టుకోవడం ఏదైనా. If you have apple, if you have ball, if you have pen, how you will write? You will hold pen, then you will write. Okay, without hold we cannot catch anything, we cannot hold things, we cannot write. Okay, how you will read? We will hold the book and we will the read. Yes, yeah, that is, we can hold the with our hands. Okay, next, and by using hands we will eat. Yes, by using hands we are eating every day in your life. Yes, we can eat with our hands. Yes, what is doing? What is doing?
Eating.
Eating kada? Yeah, very good.
Eat
And
lunch.
what is
Eating
doing? What is
lunch.
doing? What is doing? Next person.
Eating lunch.
Next.
Playing. Eating lunch.
Yeah, we can
Playing.
pick with our hands. We can pick with our hands. Yes, we can pick. Pick అంటే పట్టుకోవడం. హోల్డ్ అంటే దాన్ని పట్టుకోవడం. పిక్ అంటే ఇట్లా అందుకోవడం, తీసుకోవడం. ఓకే, తీసుకోవడం. యూ కెన్ పిక్ దట్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా చెప్తాం? సపోజ్ జస్ట్ సుజన్ టేక్ ద బాక్స్ అన్నాం అనుకో, హీ విల్ ట్రై టు టేక్ ద బాక్స్. దట్ ఈస్ పికింగ్. ఈజ్ రెడీ టు పిక్. అంటే పిక్ తీసుకోవడం. ఓకే, యా. Yes, we can do many things with our hands. Yes, we can do many things with our hands, like eating, hold, picking, write. Okay, see, just keep on mute, Nana. Others just keep on mute. Okay, very good. See here, use of hands and legs together. అంటే at the same time hands ni legs ni use చేస్తూ what we are doing in our life. Yes, at the same time we are using hands, we are using hands and legs. Yeah, skipping, swimming. Yeah, you should keep on mute, Nana. Yeah, we can skip using both our hands and legs. Okay, we can swim using both our hands and legs. Yeah, see here, we do some things using both our hands and legs, like travel. Means ambadam kuda. Ambadam ఎలా ambadam? By using hands and legs. Yes, and exercise, we are using hands and legs, we are doing exercise. Yes, and skipping, swim. Okay, yeah. Okay, see here. Use of hands and legs together. Okay, it is also same. March. We can march using both our hands and legs. Okay, and the march means ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు కానీ ఏదైనా ఒక ఉద్యమంలో పాల్గొనేటప్పుడు కానీ యా వెన్ యు ఆర్ రన్నింగ్, వెన్ యు ఆర్ వాకింగ్, వెన్ యు ఆర్ జాగింగ్, ఇలాంటి మూమెంట్ లో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ లెగ్స్. ఓకే, దెన్ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఆల్రెడీ వీ కెన్ ట్రావెల్ యూజింగ్ బోత్ అవర్ హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ లెగ్స్. ఎస్, మనం చిన్న ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేసినాం, in nursery or UKG, LKG, sometimes you will did like this travel. Yeah, okay. See here, we can exercise. We already discussed it. We can exercise using both hands and legs, and we use our back and shoulders to carry things. Yes, functions of back and shoulders. Shoulders uses to we are carrying bags. Yes, we use our back, and we are using our back side and shoulders to carry things. Shoulders ni back side ni uses to we are carrying bags when you are going to your school, when you are traveling other places, when you are going to tour. At the moment we are picnic.
And going to picnic also.
At the moment you will use the shoulders and you will use back side, back part. Yes, yeah. Okay, and see, we use our back and shoulders to push, carry things also. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ట్రిప్ కావచ్చు, మిగతా కావచ్చు, ఇలాంటివి కూడా కావచ్చు. అండ్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఏదైనా వస్తువుని పుష్ చేయడానికి, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ పుష్ ఎనీ థింగ్, యూ విల్ యూజ్ హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ షోల్డర్స్. ఎస్, అండ్ అవర్ బ్యాక్ అంటే ఎలా సార్, బ్యాక్ ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుందంటే, when you are pushing to others, when you are pushing to some things, at the moment you are using hands and shoulders and back side or back part. Okay, yeah. See here, we use our back and shoulder to push things. Yes, yeah. Now you should write, everybody. I will tell you some words, you should write. Take notebook. Everybody should write. Hands, I'm saying with spelling. I will tell you only 3 times. You should write, everybody. HANDS, hands. HANDS, hands. ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ పైన నేను సర్కిల్ కూడా వేస్తాను. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ సీ, యూ కెన్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ సీ, యూ కెన్. హ్యాండ్స్, hands. Hands. Okay, done, completed. Everybody should complete it. Say once, anyone. Sujan is complete.
Yes, yes. finished. Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट
हो गया.
होल्ड 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 HOLD होल्ड
अंदर
एवरीबडी शुड कीप ऑन म्यूट अम्मा होल्ड HOLD होल्ड HOLD होल्ड
Yes, sir.
Hold.
Finished.
ఓకే హోల్డ్ అంటే పట్టుకోవడం హోల్డ్ హోల్డ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈట్
Sir,
నెక్స్ట్ ఈట్
finished.
నానా నెక్స్ట్ ఈట్ EAT ఈట్ ఈట్
Sir, I wrote. Done, sir.
హోల్డ్ HOLD హోల్డ్ ఈట్ EAT ఈట్
Done.
ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ పిక్ PICK పిక్
PICK देखा
PICK pick
के
just keep on mute child pick 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 okay pick is there see everybody pick is here okay did you complete Nana
Yes, sir.
yeah
Yes,
next,
sir. Yes, sir.
next skip next skip 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 skip
Sir, I wrote.
yeah, very good you should write everybody SKIP skip hands we already wrote hands okay and you should write both also you can write both 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 skip both రెండు రాయాలి skip BOTH both బోత్ అంటే నాన్న రెండు దాని మీనింగ్ రెండు ఓకే
Sir, I wrote.
యా నెక్స్ట్ స్విమ్ నెక్స్ట్ స్విమ్ Swim. I wrote on screen. Everybody should observe. Swim. 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 Aryan Gowd రాస్తున్నావా?
Yes.
మహతి
Yes, sir.
మహతి రాస్తున్నావా?
Yes, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. శ్రద్ధ శ్రద్ధ రాస్తున్నావా?
Yes.
వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్
Yes,
లెగ్స్.
sir.
నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్స్.
It's WIM, swim.
లెగ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్స్.
Sir, I wrote.
ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్. వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్స్ నాన్న. లెగ్స్. I'm writing C once on screen. Okay. Legs. Legs. Here is there. ఇక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. Legs. ఇక్కడ. Legs.
Legs.
Yeah.
Complete, sir.
Akshara, did you write thing?
Yes, sir. Complete, sir.
Very good. Yeah. Can I go next?
Complete, yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Together. You should write together.
Mommy, together spelling that right.
See here on screen paina. Don't ask your mummy. I am here, no? I am your class teacher, no? Together.
Yes.
T-O-D-G-E-H-E-R. On screen paina chudali. You can see on screen. If you not available there, ask me. Okay, when you are doing homework, at the moment you are asking your mommy and daddy. Otherwise, if you are available in your mobile, call me. I will tell you. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Okay, completed. Together.
Yes, sir.
Okay, P. Sujan. P. Sujan completed, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Next, M. Ganesh. Completed, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
I'm left.
Next, Travel. Travel. See here. On screen paina chudandi. Travel. C-R-A-W-L. C-R-A-W-L. Travel. Travel. C-R-A-W-L. Travel. We can crawl using both our hands and legs.
W-A.
Just keep on mute, Nana. Mute lo betali. You should keep on mute. Okay, next. Next, exercise. Exercise is there. See once. On screen paina chudandi. Exercise. E X R C I S E. Exercise.
సార్
E
రాయలేదు
Nana.
సార్ ఈ రాయలేదు.
Okay. Don't worry. I will write. E X E. Good finding. Very good. You should find like this. Ganesh. Gaddalakonda Ganesh.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
You are Gaddalakonda Ganesh, huh?
సార్
Okay. You are saying thank you for finding, kada? Yeah, very good. Exercise. 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 Everybody doing exercise at morning?
ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
Now I will see. Maybe you are woke up till I think 7 to 7:30. But you are saying I will do exercise, sir?
No,
No, everybody it's wake up early. Yeah, very good. Okay. Next, back. Oh shit. Back. Sorry, wait. See here, BACK, back. BACK, back. BACK, back.
డన్.
Oh, Harshit,
Sir, done.
you are completed.
ఎస్ సార్.
Very good. Sai Sikurta, Rashinava.
ఎస్ సార్.
Vanesahu.
ఎస్ సార్.
Seven's back spelling.
సార్ అవి సార్. డిఏసికే.
Yeah, okay. I'm asking one, but you are saying everybody. Yeah. Next, you should write push. 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 This is U, not V. Push. Fast. Push.
సార్ కంప్లీటెడ్.
Don't push your mobile. Your mobile will be broken. Okay, next, shoulder. See here. Shoulders. After push, shoulder. After push, shoulder. Okay, now we'll do one exercise. Okay, be ready. It's completed, everybody.
నో సార్.
Right, or yeah, I will wait. Don't worry, but you should complete fast. Shoulder. SHOULDERS. shoulders. Okay, now we will do one exercise. Can I remove this? It's completed, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm removing. తీసేస్తున్నాను. Can I remove?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here. Okay. See. Match the columns by dragging. Okay. Match the column by dragging. See once. There is spellings is front to back front to middle ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి అన్నట్టు. We have to find out. Dragging ఉంటాయి. Dragging means తారుమారు చేసి ఉంటాయి. Vanya Sahu is there? Vanya Sahu?
Yes, sir.
Everybody should listen, Anna. Okay? Yeah. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ మీకు రైట్ సైడ్ రో ఉంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంది? నోస్ కదా. నోస్ ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Yes, sir.
Nose is there, no?
E-Y-E-I.
Left side.
See here. I'm matching here.
Phone number.
Phone number.
Yeah.
Left
See here,
side
first
phone
one.
number.
Yeah, very good. Should see everybody. Hair. H-A-I-R.
Sir, I'm last.
Yes, last. See here. Hair.
Fifth. 5.
Okay. Next. Eyes. I-E-Y. First one, కదా? Yeah, first one.
Yes.
First.
See here, I'm matching. Everybody should observe matching. అందుకే ఇట్లా స్క్రోల్ చేస్తున్నా, మీకు కనబడాలని ఇట్లా స్క్రోల్ చేసుకున్నా, తింపినట్టు చేస్తున్నా. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్.
Fourth
థర్డ్
one.
వన్ కదా? థర్డ్ వన్.
Third one.
Third.
Second.
Yeah. See here. Don't shout.
శ్రద్ధ
Next
సార్
year.
అడిగినప్పుడే చెప్పాలి, అలా పద్దాక అల్లరి చేయకూడదు.
Just keep on mute. When I'm asking, then only give me. Just don't shout. Itla 4 and itla arvaddu. Sir, second one, last one. Ippudu left side lo second one em chestam, last one. See here, I'm matching. Yeah, it's everybody's right answers. ఎందుకంటే సేమ్ కలర్స్ వచ్చినాయి, ఆన్సర్స్ సేమ్ కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, రైట్ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నట్టు. వేరే కలర్స్ ఉంటే ఒకవేళ we did wrong. So it's right, everything is right. Okay. Yeah. See, everybody should see what is your homework. Just everybody listen. Andaru vintunara? M Ganesh, Sujan, Pandisahu, Swikurta, Harshit, Arengod, Jaid, Mahati, Sadda, Akshara, P. Sujan. Everybody should listen.
Okay, sir.
You wrote some words, no? Just
Yes,
before.
sir.
Yeah. The words, every word should write 2 times, Nana. Every words. Like eat, hold, pick, write, march, grovel, exercise, keep, skin, push, these words you have to write 2 times, each one 2 times. You have to write in your notebook and you have to read. Okay, you have to write it each one 2 times and you have to read. Okay, yeah, that is your homework, Nana. Okay,
What, sir?
ఇప్పటివరకు పదాలు రాసుకున్నాం కదా మనం. ఇప్పటివరకు కొన్ని పదాలు రాసుకున్నాం కదా.
Okay.
ఆ పదాలని ఒక్కొక్కటి 2 సార్లు రాయాలి. ఓకే, ఒక్కొక్కటి 2 సార్లు రాయాలి.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Maybe it's out of time. Yeah, actually I want to show one video. See, once it will coming sound or not, just say me. Hey, what is that? Just say it is coming sound or not. We will discuss next video. And I'm giving this for you. This is free work, Nana. Free work ఏందో తెలుసా మీకు? చెప్తా.
Sir, how many words are there?
Just you have to count. You don't know? Count there. How many words is there? Okay, Nana. See once. Hey, this is free work. I'm giving free work. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనం ఏం చెప్పుకోబోతున్నాం అనేది ఫ్రీ వర్క్ అంటారు దాన్ని. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్. సీ ద వీడియో. విచ్ వీడియో? యూట్యూబ్ లో ఏమని కొట్టాలి? మై బాడీ పార్ట్స్ లో సాంగ్ అని కొట్టండి.
My body what song?
Put a finger on your chest, then put
Okay,
it on
sir.
your nose. ఈ సాంగ్ వస్తుంది. You have to listen the song. Okay? Okay na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, homework అయితే అందరికీ అర్థమైంది కదా? Okay, bye Nana.
Bye, sir.
ఎగ్జామ్
Don't shout.
Bye, sir.